In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram reel in Canva. If you're looking to make engaging reels that stand out, Canva is a great tool to get started with. It's user-friendly, flexible, and offers a variety of templates and elements that can really make your content pop. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. To get started, you'll want to open Canva and either log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, search for Instagram Reels in the search bar. This will lead you to a range of templates specifically designed for Reels in terms of size and format. You can choose one that matches the theme or aesthetic you're going for. Selecting a template provides you with a good starting point, and remember, you can always customize it to suit your needs better. After selecting a template, it's time to start customizing it. Click on elements such as text and images to edit them. You can change the text to whatever message you'd like to convey in your reel. Canva offers a variety of fonts. Try to pick one that aligns with your overall style. Don't forget to adjust the size, color, and even apply effects if necessary to make it easier to read. When it comes to images or videos, you can either upload your own or choose from Canva's extensive library of stock photos and videos. Drag and drop them into the workspace and arrange them as you prefer. Now, let's focus on adding motion to your reel. In the toolbar, there's an animate option that can bring your elements to life. This is a great way to capture viewers' attention as they scroll. Select from different animations to see which one complements your content best, adding another layer of interest without overwhelming your audience. Next, let's make sure your reel flows nicely. Adjust the timing for each frame so that your reel isn't too fast or slow. You can click on the timer icon to precisely set the duration for each element. Ideally, you want your reel engaging, yet easy to digest. Also, consider adding music. In Canva, there's an audio section where you can find a selection of free tracks. Choose one that fits the mood of your reel, and will enhance rather than distract from your message. Once you're satisfied with your design and content, it's time to download it. Hit the download button located at the top right corner. Make sure to select the correct file type, which is usually MP4 for Reels. After it's saved on your device, head over to Instagram and upload your newly created reel directly from your camera roll. And there you have it, a vibrant and creative Instagram reel made right in Canva. With these tools and techniques, you're all set to connect with your audience in an engaging and visually appealing way. Have fun experimenting, and I can't wait to see all the amazing reels you'll create.